From buried to unstoppable.
Some cars are forgotten. This one was buried.
And no one expected to find it here. Getting it out was just the beginning. What we saw next changed everything. Years of sand stripped away. Every piece taken apart, bringing back its soul. Fixing what time destroyed. Rebuilding the heart.
And then it happened.
Luxury reborn. Every detail matters. Perfection in every inch. Some things are worth saving.
Watch it rise again.
From buried to unstoppable.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, then like, subscribe, and share.